Right.
Hey, there you are, dude.
Wait.
Yeah, we're alive.
Where?
Good news, we made it out.
No, we haven't.
Dylan, as you're ready, dude.
You're still about 10-15 minutes away.
Good news, we made it out alive.
Well, we're not out yet.
Come on down.
Out.
That way?
That's
Made
going to
it
be
out
the
of
easy
the
way.
tunnel.
Easy way?
Which one's the easy
Yes.
way?
Yeah, I'm going this way.
Yes, I recommend the easy way.
So this is the easy way. Okay.
All right.
So which way's more challenging way?
We're going to, challenging way is going to go down here.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
Got it.
Let's get everybody together who's going to go that way.
challenging way?
Guys, wait up.
You going down the challenging way?
Why wouldn't
I'm
we?
going down the challenging way.
Challenging ways.
All right. Are you guys over here?
I believe I'm the last one. Head count. How many people we got sitting?
Hey,
1,
Randy.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11? Oh, okay, there. 11.
Yeah.
11 with. Yep.
That's-
You're supposed to have 11. Anyone
Yes,
says
we're supposed to have
otherwise,
11.
Yeah, if we wind up with 12, then we...
Liv and Dylan kept going, they're all the way up there.
scared if we wound up
That's-
with 12.
That's the easy way. Hold up. Careful on the
Yeah,
rocks.
I'd be scared if we
Don't
hit
climb
12,
over
'cause
yet.
That means we gained
Alright.
someone.
Because if you
better than coming.
go the wrong way there.
Guys, wait.
Unless you're going with debt to the casino.
Okay, if you want to do a little more challenging, go down here to the dead end, make a right, and just keep on going until you get to the exit.
Oh, sounds easy.
Okay? That's all I'm going to tell you. Okay?
So if you get lost, is there like
I'll hear you.
is there a safe word?
So, yeah, just march
Banana.
east of
You're
Golden.
banana.
I'll be the going into
Banana.
right.
Safe word is
Help.
the help that's I'm stuck.
Down to the dead end, Julie.
Okay, and I'm going to try to get down there because I got to spot you guys coming down off that cliff.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, somebody calling me?
Not going back. Under or over?
Um,
Yes, over, right?
I thought you were going the hard way. Yeah, you were going the hard way, weren't you?
No. I'm done.
Okay, yeah, we're going to go up, over, either under or over the rock. Okay? You're moving too fast. Go ahead.
Okay.
You have too much energy left.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm running out of what? Vitamin D, I think.
Yeah, vitamin D's the
You don't want to go backwards, okay? What you may want to try to do is go down this way. You going to try to go over?
Yeah.
Which one's the easy way?
They're both the same. I like over here because I don't like stooping down underneath the rock.
Okay, I'm gonna go over.
Not up. Not up. Over. Nope, not that way. Over. This way. Hold on.
Make it out?
You have to watch the person in front of you. Okay? Come on, follow me.
Yeah, I figured the challenging way would be.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm over the crawling.
You guys made a right. You're supposed to go straight.
Oh, okay.
Go back.
Go back.
Go back.
Turn around.
Go away. We don't want you.
Go away!
They were told direction
and
and
they didn't follow.
I saw people that went.
Come on. I got you.
You were leading the wrong path. I was leading the easier. I thought you wanted challenging. I did.
You were
That's
leading the
it.
alternate
Perfect. Keep your feet out in front of you. Over towards me. That's it. Legs over here. Hold on to here. Here. Okay. Feet. Feet.
Oh, the knee pads actually where it's supposed to be right now. It feels amazing.
There you go.
Because my knee was in pain.
Come right down the
My
line.
shin's a little on the crawl.
All right.
On the belly row, the six sliding. Yeah.
All right, now let's go.
And then I'd get to like the end of the belly crawl, and then I'd be like, oh, there's no pad there. And now
All right, now let's go home so I can die in a non-humane way.
This is the humane way.
A non-humane way, I mean. What are you doing?
You want that in a non-humane way? You must be the only
Get your feet up on
Oh, it's this part again. I remember this.
that ridge. Now stand up. Put all your weight on that foot and stand up. Reach up high.
It'll help you.
Reach up high. And pull yourself up. There you go. You got it. Hold up. Hold up, guys. Come on back this way.
Screw the catacombs.
Okay, he went down the crack. Yeah, we're gonna go down the crack.
Yeah.
I just saw you by the edge and that was like, had me worried for a moment.
Yeah, I know where I'm going. I just don't.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I see where we're going.
Wait, did they go the hard way?
Yeah,
I'm gonna leave the cave.
I could have done the hard way.
yeah,
Alan, I can leave the cave.
yeah. Don't get changed, we still gotta do a muddy picture.
Alright, yeah.
Oh, you found us. Are you coming down to get us, or are we just supposed to meet you here?
Meet me here.
Oh, okay.
Go as far as you can.
Yeah, I see you guys. Wait, is it just you, Olivia?
It's me, Alan, and Dana.
Oh. Where's the
They were like behind us.
Wait, did they all come with me? Shit.
No, they're
Sweatshirt.
Sit. Here, hold on to this. Put your legs out in front, it's like a sliding board.
Where did Nathan get his sweatshirt?
Yes. That's what I'm picking up. Put your legs out in front. And you're gonna slide down to here, okay? Good, very good. Awesome. You're good.
Oh, it's fine.
You keep banging that helmet.
There we go.
Yeah.
You guys got it.
There you go. I didn't see anybody come out here.
Oh, you mean we can? If you guys creep down, you can go further deeper. I
Yeah,
guess I took the wrong turn,
it gets
but I
gets a
thought-
little tight, but
Where?
you can still come out over here. You have to back up and go out this way. Here, you want to just hold on to that,
You drop it.
swing your legs over and slide
How am I
down.
supposed to get down there?
Not that way. Back up. What did I say about the edge?
Oh yeah, yeah. Over there.
Yep. Guys coming down. Huh?
I'm not going through there. You're catch.
Here, pass that right back to me. I got that. I'll keep an eye on this.
That's a little clean. Find a muddy
I go the
clothes
right
and
way.
stick it.
Yeah, you're good. I see your light. I see Nathan coming out above us. Julie coming from the right.
Nathan really died for us.
Nathan's right here.
Nathan's right there.
I'm actually ahead of you, so maybe you're the one who died.
He's showing you the way.
He's showing us the way, the truth, and the life.
Who decides to go through these tight freaking holes?
Where
I
is
don't know. We should ask the guy in them right now.
he? Where is he?
He's over here.
How?
Poor life decisions? What do you want me to tell you?
I think that's right. That sounds just like real.
I didn't tell you had to go. I just said that's more
See?
fun.
Yeah. That's my fault. I'm just.
Let me give you room to get out of there. You all right getting down?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh,
You can
Look at this
do the
crowd.
outside if you want to slide down
That's what
here.
I was gonna do.
Hold on to that stump. Put your feet out in front of you. And I'm just
And
going to stay
then
here.
swing
So
around and get one foot onto that point.
there you go. Awesome. You guys are good.
All right.
Well, I'm just good at not dying.
You're good at it. Try bringing your. I don't know what to tell you to do, man. I'll let you figure it out. My instructions are worthless. Alright. So yeah, you guys know where we're at, right?
So did we go toward the exit?
Exit is
Yeah.
up there. Yep, we can go towards the exit. We can just make sure we get a picture outside the exit.
With everybody.
With everybody.
got it.
Looking
You got it.
looking like filth.
We kind of need to have everybody.
What if I don't appear in the exit? Will you assume I'm dead?
Yeah, we're just gonna leave you.
I guess we could.
We'll just Photoshop you.
I'm telling you, there's some really comfortable spots that just recline in here.
There are.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
Ever heard of the
This
Nutty
felt
Putty
like
Cave
just naturally
incident?
follows
Yeah.
the arch in my back.
Yes, it did.
Where's the Nutty Putty Cave incident?
So basically, someone takes a wrong turn and dies.
Yeah, like they
You got
ended up.
yourself wedged upside down.
Yeah, they end up being wedged in like a
Put your
horrible
feet down.
position.
Oh,
Alright.
And yeah, it's a
good?
tragic all around.
just take-
Aim your shoe for over there.
Stop watching
Right
Zach
down
D
to here.
films.
It's actually a real,
Yeah.
like it really did
Just
happen.
stay right here so that you don't come down this way. Okay?
They sealed the cave off because they couldn't retrieve them. You right getting down there, Matt?
It's a spider. I'm gonna leave.
I think if you go down to your right, Matt.
All of the like dead end dark tunnels and growth.
Yeah,
Oh,
put
it's
up
pointing right out here.
There you go. There you go. You got it.
The exit's up there.
Exit's up that
There's
way.
a spider dangling right over my face.
Exit's
I had
up
my
that
eyes
way.
closed for a while.
Are you the last one, TJ?
Yep.
Okay, feet in front of you and slide down.
Lean this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to land the sole of your foot on the peak of this rock right here. So
Alright.
swing your left foot to land on that. There you go.
Okay.
See, and then that stops your downward projection.
That's what I was concerned about. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yep,
That's it.
I believe that's it. We'll
All right.
Count when we get out there.
Yep.
That's a lot of fun. Has it really been 2.5 hours? I said, teacher, like, man,
It's 2 o'clock now.
I guess it has been 2 hours.
We came in just before 12.
I thought we've only been here like 45 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they moved fast.
Yeah, they do.
They moved a lot faster than most groups.
Like I said, half of them had been here before, so they they had a pretty good.
That was the good part about it. I could trust them to go on.
And they do
Just go have some fun.
They do enjoy exploring like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like right up their alley.
Which side do you recommend, the left or the right?
Which way did you come in?
I don't remember.
Do the other one then.
Left.
All right. If Alan recommends left, I'm going left.
My left or your left? Like left on the way in, or?
Well, that's right. That's it. Left on the way out, left on the way in. Oh, wait, no. Go upside down. Okay.
Take the largest one, whichever is bigger.
Yeah, I'm always aiming for whichever one looks bigger,
Yes.
and I can squeeze my body through.
Which one looks bigger?
I'm pretty sure I'm on left.
Yeah, I think so.
I see the light.
Let's see how much it rained while we were in here. See Bob and Rob sitting out there just
Go to the
soaked.
light, Daddy. Go to the light.
Okay, so.
Ow!
That's why we wear a helmet.
All right. Should I try to go feet first?
Give it a shot, see what happens.
What?
I think that's what I'm gonna try to do.
You can do that.
Because it's just down.
Yeah.
Or just a running start and dive.
Yeah. The Superman.
Do the Superman on the way out.
I regret nothing!
I regret everything. Ow. This little rock right here hurts. Your arm.
Oh, you're digging into your elbow or
Yeah.
armpit?
Yeah.
He's doing it the easy way. That's the way I do it. So, I find that to be very much easier and safer.
No, to just like squat through?
Yeah, one leg and then pull your head through and then pull the other leg
Get
through.
yourself around the.
Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
that was it.
I was like, wait, I think I'm still nimble enough to be able to do that.
Well, I like if you keep tumbling, you'll just run into the other one.
Exactly. You can only
Yeah.
go so far.
It'll stop you.
Yeah, the first one doesn't crack your skull, the second one will break your spine.
Oh, there he is. Never mind.
You guys left without me. I got lost.
We were just doing the head count and realized we only had 10, 11, not 11.
All right, gotta line up the way you were.
Picture. Come on. Swing it out on the set.
Did it rain? A little bit, yeah. I guess it did, yeah.
Less muddy this time.
A lot less.
I can still tell what color I was.
Exactly.
I think I did more belly crawl
we missed timing last time, so that's same thing. But yeah, this is just the best.
After flashlights are also
Okay, bunch to get a little bit more. That's good. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see it. Thank you. Noah, let's go. Whew.
Everybody's, marching ahead and not doing all this stuff or remembering your drivers here. They're not going to go anywhere even when they get there.
Don't forget your driver.
Important steps.
I got the person with the keys, yes.
I was gonna say, do you want to guys can? Maybe come back for it. No, it's just like put it in his bag.
Yeah.
Who left their can?
I'm showing leave it.
Yeah, leave no trace, guys. Oh, we got to lock that up, huh?
Oh, I forgot. I knew I was forgetting something.
Just need to come down?
Yeah, I can get that. It's okay.